Correction due to alignment. The linear error due to inaccuracy in alignment of a tape is similar to the effect of slope and can be computed in the same manner. Ano tong alignment? Di ba, as I've directed you during our Google Meet, kapag ginawa niyo sana yung laboratory exercise, inuulit-ulit ko sa inyo na dapat straight line pa rin, huwag kayong mag-i-incline kasi may effect yun doon sa pag-measure nyo ng horizontal distance. Now, on how to take account itong correction due to alignment, the same siya doon sa equation na ginawa natin doon sa correction due to slope. Okay? Correction due to temperature. Sabi natin nung doon sa part 1, kapag mainit, that steel tape tends to expand. Kapag namang malamig, the steel tape tends to shrink. So, we have to take into consideration the correction due to temperature. And this is the equation for the correction due to temperature, wherein our alpha is the coefficient of linear or thermal expansion. L is the length of the tape measured. T is the observed temperature. TO is the temperature of standardized tape. Other equations, ang baka magtataka lang kayo, ang ginagamit is alpha length Tm minus Ts. The same pa rin po yung ibig sabihin ng equation na to dito sa alpha L T minus TO. Yung T dito is the same as Tm. Yung TO dito is the same as Ts. Okay, let's have an example. A steel tape with a coefficient of thermal expansion of 0.000116 per degree Celsius is known to be 50 meters long at 20 degrees Celsius. The tape was used to measure a line that is 533.28 meters long when the tape measure was 35 degrees Celsius. Determine the temperature correction per tape length, temperature correction for the measured line, and correct length of the measured line. So, always, these are the given. The thermal expansion, coefficient of thermal expansion is 0.000116 per degree Celsius. The length of the steel tape is 50 meters. Length of the measured line is 533.28. And the measured temperature is 35. And the standard temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. First unknown, temperature correction per tape length. So, ang equation natin ulit for the correction due to temperature is alpha L T minus TO. Right? So, our alpha is this one. Our L is 50. Our T is 35 and TO is 20. Take a look at the equations. The units. This is degrees Celsius, degrees Celsius, degrees Celsius. So, dapat magkakapareho yung ating mga units. Magka-cancel out yung ating degrees Celsius. The correction now due to temperature per tape length is equal to 0.0087 meters. Now, next requirement is the temperature correction for the measured line. So, this time, yung line ang tinutukoy natin dito. So, yung gagamitin natin ngayon na value ng L is no longer the 50 meters but the 533.28 meters. Inputting this in your calculator, the temperature correction for the measured line is equal to 0.0928 meters. Lastly, the correct length of the measured line is 532.28 plus 0.0928 meters. Bakit hindi ko ginamit ito? Again, itong 0.0087, that is the correction per tape length. Ang hinahanap kasi natin is the corrected length of the measured line. So, ito yung gagamitin natin ngayon. Bakit plus? Bakit hindi minus? If you try to look at the problem ulit, no, yung standard temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Pero nung nag-field sila, yung temperature ay nag-increase by 35 degrees Celsius. So, from 20, pumunta siya sa 35. So, nag-increase ng temperature. Anong sabi natin? If the temperature increases, our still tape tends to expand. So, humaba yung ating tape. So, since nagkaroon ng increase sa temperature, we have to add the correction due to temperature. Therefore, now the corrected length of our measured line is equal to 533.3728 meters.